Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue division on abacus rod method. In the previous video I have already shown how to do division with single divisor. Today we are going to learn how to do division with two-digit divisor. So the first step is to count the number of digits and minus. So we have to break up we have to separate the dividend from the divisor and the divided sign. So it will be 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have to place the dividend from the first rod on the abacus. And in the previous video I have also shown the rod numbers, which is first, second, third and so on. We'll take this first sum, 748 divided by 44. So the first step of division is you have to subtract 3 minus 3, that is 0. So we have to place the dividend on the 0 number rod, which is next to the units place. This is the units place and the next rod to the right side is 0 number rod. So we'll place the number from here, 7, 4, 8. Now we have to divide it with 44. Since we have learned to divide with one digit, we'll always consider one digit only. So if we take 4, in the table of 4, we don't have 7, but we have a close number, that is 4. 1 4s are 4. So 44 into 1. Now this multiplication we have to do in mental abacus. So 44 ones are 44. So we can subtract 4, 4. Yes, we can do it from 74. So we'll use that number. 44 ones are 44. Now we have to minus 4 here and 4 here. Now since this is division of two digit, we have to place the answer leaving two rods. So we'll count, we have to minus 4, 4. Here the subtraction will end. So we have to leave two rods, 1, 2 and place the answer here. That is 1. So 44 ones are minus 4 here. Minus 4 will be plus 1 minus 5 and here direct minus 4. Now the numbers remaining are 3, 0, 8. Again we'll consider first digit only, that is 4. So in the table of 4 we don't have 3. So we take 2 digit, that is 30. Again in the table of 4 we don't have 30, but we have a close number, that is 28. So 7 4s are 28. So 44 into 7, which is 308. So we can use it. So 44 7s are 308. Here the subtraction will end. So you have to leave two rods because we are dividing with two digit numbers. Leave two rods and place the answer before, that is 7. So 44 7s are minus 3, minus 0, minus 8. And the answer is 17. We'll take this next sum, 516 divided by 43. So first step, 3 minus 3 and the answer is 0. So we have to place the dividend from the 0 number rod, 5, 1, 6. Now we'll consider the first digit, that is 4. So in the table of 4 we don't have 5, but we have a close number, 4 ones are 4. So 43 ones are 43, we can use it. And we have to place the answer leaving two rods, since this is a two digit divisor. So 4 and 3. 3 will be subtracted here. So leaving two rods, 1, 2, place the answer here. 43 ones are minus 4, that is plus 1, minus 5 and minus 3, minus 10, plus 7. Now the remaining number is 86. Now in the table of 4 we have 4 2s are 8. So 43 2s are 86. So here we'll subtract 6. So we leave two rods, 1, 2 and place the answer here. 43 twos are minus 8 minus 6 and the answer is 12. Next sum will take 4 digit divided by 2 digit. Now again the first step, we have to do the subtraction of the dividend from the divisor and the divided sign. So 4 minus 3, that is 1. So we have to place the dividend from the 1 number odd, which is the units place. So we place from here 4, 3, 5, 6. Now we'll consider the first digit, that is 6. So in the table of 6 we don't have 4 because 4 is smaller than 6. So we'll take 2 digit, that is 43. Again in the table of 6 we don't have 43 but we have a close number. 6 sevens are 42. But if we take 6 sevens are 42, you have to remember this is 66. So 66 into 7 and the answer is 462. Now 66 into 7 you have to do on mental abacus and the answer comes to 462. So we cannot subtract 462 from 435 because this is smaller. So we reduce the number here. So we'll take 66 into 6. Now 66 into 6 is 396. Yes, so we can subtract 396 from 435. So we'll take 66 into 6 and the subtraction will end here. So we have to leave 2 rods and place the answer on this rod, that is 6. 66 into 6 minus 3 minus 9, that is plus 1, minus 10 and minus 6, that is minus 10 plus 4. Now the remaining numbers on the rod is 3, 9, 6. Again we'll consider 6. In the table of 6 we don't have 3, we'll consider 2, that is 39. So 6 6 are 36 is there. Now 66 into 6 is again 396. Yes, we can subtract it. So now the subtraction will end here. So 2 rods, will leave 2 rods and place the answer 6 here. Minus 3, minus 9, minus 6. And the answer is 66. Now we'll take the sum. This is 1216 divided by 16. Now in these types of sums, there are 2 rules that we can follow to make the sum easier. The first one is first digit of dividend and first digit of divisor is same. When the first digit, now here in this sum the first digit is 1 of the dividend and the first digit here also of the divisor is 1. So this is one rule. The second is when the second digit of dividend is smaller than second digit of divisor. Here in the sum, the second digit of the dividend is smaller than the second digit of the divisor. So when you get these type of sums, always you have to start the calculation from multiply by 9. That is 16 into 9. You have to use the table directly, 16 into 9 and then start the calculation. If you don't get 16 into 9 is 144. Now you cannot subtract 144 from 121. So we reduce this 9 to 8. So we take 16 into 8. Like this we reduce one digit of the table and do the calculation till we get a number smaller than this. So I will do this example and we'll see how we can do the calculation. So we'll do this sum 1216 divided by 16. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So we place the dividend from the 1 number odd, which is the units place. 1, 2, 1, 6. Now divided by 16, we have seen the two rules. So we take 16 into 9 directly, which comes to 144. But we cannot subtract 144 from 121. So we reduce the 9 to 8. So 16 8s are, that is 128. Now again we cannot subtract 128 from 121. So we reduce 8 again to 7. Now we'll do 16 into 7. Now this calculation 16 into 7, remember we have learnt multiplication of 2 digit into 1 digit, that we have to do mentally. So we take 16 into 7, that is 112. So we can subtract 112 from 121. Now the last number 2 will be subtracted here. So we leave 2 rods and place the answer on this rod, that is 7. 16 sevens are minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Now the remaining number on the abacus is 96. Now we have already done 16 into 7, which is 112. So we cannot subtract 112 from 96. So we multiply 16 into 6, that is 96. So 6 will be subtracted here. So we leave 2 rods and place the answer here, 6. 16 6 are minus 9, minus 6. And the answer is 76. We'll take one more example of this type where the first digit of the dividend and the first digit of the divisor is same, and the second digit of the dividend is smaller than the second digit of the divisor. So first step, 4 minus 3, that is again 1. So we place the dividend from the 1 number rod, that is the units place, 1, 6, 1, 5. Now first step is when there is these two rules are met, we have to divide. We have to multiply the number directly with 9 and see if we can use it. So 19 into 9, you have to do on mental abacus. That comes to 171. So we cannot subtract 171 from 161. So we reduce 9 to 8. 19 into 8 is 152. So we can subtract 152 from 161. So 152. 2 will be subtracted here. So we leave 2 rods and place the answer here. 19 8s are minus 1, minus 5, minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Now the numbers remaining on the abacus is 95. So till 8 we have multiplied already. Now we'll take 19 sevens. 19 into 7 is 133. So we cannot subtract 133 from 95. So we reduce the number to 6. So 19 6 again it is 114. We cannot subtract 114 also. So we reduce one number below, that is 5. So 19 5s is 95. So we can use that. Again 95. 5 is subtracted here. So we leave 2 rods and place the answer here. 19 5s minus 9 minus 5. And the answer is 85. In the next video, we'll see how to do division with 1 to 5 method. Thank you.